The story was taken from a residential interior project entitled Telluride, completed by Houston-based interior designer Kara Childress and Teams. This residence is the 10,000-square-foot log home and detached guesthouse sit on 5.8 acres in Mountain Village, above the original mining town of Telluride. This idyllic Colorado getaway boasts a timeless mountain aesthetic, a rustic Telluride Swiss Chalet vibes. The home's original configuration is replaced by a giant run of floor-to-ceiling structural steel frame windows. Ushering in picturesque snow-capped San Juan Mountains, the newly transformed home by Newberry Architecture feels open and fresh, offering its homeowners ample room for entertaining. A clean-lined, classic feel expands throughout interior surfaces, further suggesting the illusion of one indoor-outdoor atmosphere. Kara Childress take apart to refashion the house into a contemporary mountain residence that stays true to its Swiss chalet vibe.
In addition to adding the massive floor-to-ceiling steel and glass window in the kitchen, Newberry removed a spiral staircase in the primary bedroom and renovated the media room, bunk room, bathroom and kitchen. For the soft furnishings, Childress used a Brunello Cucinelli palette, referring to the Italian fashion designer's preferred color scheme of taupe and warm gray with neutral green undertones. Instead of patterns, she used textures and let the outside speak for itself. She didn't want anyone to be distracted by the furniture, so she used smooth leathers, Sherpa and boucle wools, who sourced 90% of the soft furnishings from custom vendors, adding a few high-end items from Gorsuch and Restoration Hardware. Everything is covered in stain-resistant high-performance fabrics for the next chapter, grandchildren.